Hi, welcome to our channel Siri Max Class. Today, in this number system chapter, I will explain the few topics. First, I can explain even numbers. The numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 are called as even numbers. Exactly divisible means the remainder is 0. When the number is divided by 2, we will get the remainder 0. That numbers are called as even numbers. The numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 are called as even numbers. The set of even numbers we can be denoted the capital letter E. Okay. Here we can check the even numbers. What are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on. All are even numbers. And also -2, -4, -6 and so on. These are the even numbers. Okay, see here. 4 divided by 2 how much? 2 and 6 also divisible by 2. 3 times cancel, we will get the answer remainder 0. So, the number which is exactly divisible by 2 is called as even numbers. This is denoted by the capital letter E. Okay. The difference of any two consecutive even number is always 2. Difference between, see here, 6 minus 4 how much? 2. And 4 minus 2 how much? 2. See here, -6 -4. The difference is how much? Here we can check that the difference between any two consecutive numbers, the difference is 2 only. Okay, see here, the sum of two even numbers is always even number. Sum of two even numbers. See here, I can take two numbers. 2 plus 4 how much? 6. Okay, take one more example. 6 plus 8 how much? 14. See here, these two are even numbers. Adding, we get the answer even number. Here also we can take two even numbers. We get the answer even numbers. So in this process, what is the condition? Addition of two even numbers, we get the answer even number. And also product of two even numbers is always even number. Product of even numbers. Take one more example here. 4 is the even number and also 10 is the even number. 4 tens are 40. 40 is also even number. We can take one more example. 2 into 4. 2 is even number. 4 is also even number. What is the answer? 8. 8 is also even number. In previous condition, sum of two even numbers is always even number. Product of two even numbers is always even number. The sum of first n even numbers is n into n plus 1. What is the condition? The sum of first n even numbers is n into n plus 1. Okay, in this condition, we take one example. First even numbers are 2 plus 4 plus 6. Here I can take these three. 2 plus 4 how much? 6. 6 plus 6 how much? 12. Okay, we get the answer 12. By using formula, what answer we will get? We will check here. N into n plus 1. Here n value how much? Here how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. So n value is 3. So in n plus we can substitute n value. 3 into 3 plus 1. 3 into 3 plus 1 how much? 4. So 3 into 4 is nothing but 12. So we get the answer 12. Okay, see here. Here we can take only 3 numbers. That's why addition is very easy. But more than numbers here we can take. In these conditions, the formula is very helpful and very easy to solve the answer. Okay. The sum of first n even numbers are, the condition is n into n plus 1. Okay. The general form of even number is the general form of even number is 2n. N is natural number. Okay. The general form of even number is 2n. N is natural number. Okay, we go to next topic, odd numbers. The numbers which when divided by 2, we get the remainder 1. These numbers are called as odd numbers. Any number we can take divided by 2, we get the remainder 1. These numbers are called as odd numbers. Okay, the set of odd numbers we can be denoted the letter capital O. Okay, odd numbers here we can see. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. And also negative numbers -1, -3, -5 and so on. All these are the odd numbers. What is the odd numbers definition? The numbers which are divisible by 2, we get the remainder 1. That numbers are called as odd numbers. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Okay, see here. The number which is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2. What we get the remainder? 1. So here take any number, we get the remainder 1 when divisible by 2. In these numbers are called as odd numbers. Odd numbers we can denote the letter O. Okay, odd numbers what we say? 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. All these values na? The difference of any two consecutive odd numbers is 2 only. Okay, check here. 3 minus 1, how much? 2. 5 minus 3, how much? 2. And also 7 minus 5, 2. So here what we can say? The difference of any two consecutive odd numbers, the value is 2 only. Okay, here we can take sum of two odd numbers is always even. See here we can check that. Take one example. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 how much? 8. 3 is odd number, 5 also odd number. Here we can adding two odd numbers, we get the answer is even number. So what is the condition? Sum of two odd numbers is always even number. Next we can take product. The product of any two odd numbers, we get the answer is odd number. See here, 5 is one odd number, 7 also one odd number. Here we can multiply in these two values, we get the answer. 5 7s are 35. 35 is odd number now. So in these two conditions, remember, sum of two odd numbers, we get the answer is even number. Product of two odd numbers, we get the result is odd number. The sum of first n odd numbers is sum of n odd numbers is n square. Okay, in even number system, the formula is n into n plus 1. Here sum of first n odd numbers, the formula is n square. Okay, the sum of first odd numbers are here we can take only three values, 1 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, add these three values, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, how much? 9. Okay, see here in this formula, here we can apply n square now. N value, how many are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 are there. So, n value is 3. 3 square. 3 square is nothing but 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay. In these small conditions, we get the answer easily. Okay, here I can take 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Okay, see here. 1 plus 3 plus, here we are adding. So much time is taken now. But simply we can use formula. What is the formula? N square. Here how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n value is 5. Simply we can write 5 square. 5 square value is Nothing but 5 into 5, 25. So in these formulas are used for very easy to calculate, very easy to solve the answers. Okay, next general form of odd number. General form of odd number is 2n minus 1. General form of odd number is 2n minus 1. Okay, here we can compare even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, in this even numbers, the difference of any two consecutive even number is 2 only. Here also the difference of any two consecutive odd number is 2 only. Sum of two even numbers. Sum of two even numbers is always even. Sum of two odd numbers is always even number. And also product of two even numbers is always even number. And the product of two odd numbers always odd number. And the sum of first n natural number, n even numbers are n into n plus 1. And here sum of first n odd numbers are n square. The general form of even number is 2n and the general form of odd number is 2n minus 1. Okay. Please remember all these concepts of even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, sum of one even number and sum of one odd number is always sum of one even number and sum of one odd number is always odd number only. Okay, check another number. 4 plus 5. How much? 9. Okay, see here 2 is one even number, 3 is one odd number. Adding one even number and odd number, we get the result odd number only. So sum of one even number and one odd number, we get the answer odd number only. Okay, here we can check the product of one even number and one odd number. 2 into 3, how much? 6. Take one more example. 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. See here, 2 is even number, 3 is odd number. Multiplying these two values, we get the answer 6. 6 is a even number. Here also, 6 is even number and 5 is the odd number. Multiplying these two numbers, we get the answer is 30 only. Okay. Here what we can observe here, the sum of one even number and one odd number, we get the answer odd number only. The product of even number and odd number, we get the answer is even number. Okay, we go to the next topic, successor. Okay, successor is nothing but it is a simple concept. For suppose if A is a one number, the successor of A is A plus 1. Okay, here I can take one number. For suppose here I can take one number 4. The successor of 4 is 4 plus 1, that is nothing but 5. Here one more number I can take. For suppose 6 I can take. What is the successor of 6? What is the condition? 6 plus 1, 7. This is nothing but successor is nothing but what is the number we can take? After next number is the result only, answer only. Okay, remember? If A is one number, the successor of A is nothing but A plus 1. Okay, here we can take 4. What is the formula? 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Here we can take 6. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. The successor of any number is the next to the number. Answer. Predecessor is a, this is also a very small topic. If A is one number, the predecessor of A is A minus 1. Okay, take one example to here. Here I can take the number 15. What is the predecessor of A? What is the condition? A minus 1. That is nothing but 15 minus 1, 14. Okay. Okay, here compare these two. Successor means A plus 1 and next to the number, what the number we can take, we get the answer, the next number. And predecessor of the number is nothing but the number before number. Okay. Thank you so much.